So you got a low CAT score, or the score that you got is not what you had expected from yourself. ऐसे वक्त में क्या कर सकते हैं? Let's find out in this video. Hello everyone, this is Debayan and welcome to another video of MBA Talks. Before I begin, if you are coming to my channel for the first time, then I make videos related to MBA topics, business, marketing, and many other things. So if you are an MBA aspirant, MBA professional, or an MBA student, this channel is for you. So do subscribe to my channel as I try to bring on relevant content for you. So you got a low CAT score and you are not sure what to do next. This video will be guiding you in how to take the next steps so that the progress in your career isn't hindered. The progress in your career that you wanted, you will be able to achieve them. So there may be two kinds of low scores that I'll be talking about in this video. एक होता है कि the students who have got a borderline score and the students who have got a low score. Now what do I mean by a borderline score? Borderline scores are those scores जिसमें कि आप एक या आध परसेंटेज की वजह से शायद कट ऑफ क्लियर ना कर पाएँ या फिर अगर करें भी तो एक या आधे परसेंटाइल की वजह से ही. So what happens if you are in that particular borderline score? You may or may not get a call from IIMs or baby IIMs or tier 2 colleges. In that scenario, what you can do is start preparing. Or rather, I think you should start preparing if you are in that borderline percentile. Why, I'll tell you. Because if you get a call, you will be prepared to face the interview. If you suddenly get a call or an email from a college that we want to interview you, अगर इंटरव्यू की तैयारी करते हो तो you will have a lot of time to prepare than if you start preparing after you get the email, after you get the call from the particular college. So yeah, you need to start preparing. In case you do not get, the preparation will stay with you nevertheless. जो तुम तैयारी करोगे ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो भूल जाओगे if you do not get the call, or the preparation will evaporate the moment you get a rejection call or you do not get any call. So the preparation will stay with you. The skills that you learn in the process will stay with you. You will have another year to practice and hone your skills. So start preparing for interviews, preparing for what GDPI, because uh, even if you do not get a call, these are the basic skills that will help you get ahead in your career. Because interview में क्या है, speaking skills, written ability क्या है, writing skills, these two are the very basic skills that you need to have. So brushing them up at any time in your life is always a good advice. So go ahead and start preparing if you are in the borderline percentile. And if you have got a low percentile, something that you had not expected, और आप एग्ज़ाम उतना अच्छा नहीं गया था जितना आप डिज़र्व करते हो, जितना कि आप सोच रहे थे प्रिपरेशन के वक्त कि आपको इतना तो मिलना ही चाहिए, या फिर इतना परसेंटाइल नहीं है कि आपको जो कॉलेज चाहिए उसमें आप कट ऑफ क्लियर कर पाओ. So what you can do is you have two options. One is wait for calls from tier 2, tier 3 non-IIMs. There is a chance that many other colleges, many other tier 2 colleges, non-IIMs will be giving out calls to you. Now, you may choose that or you may choose to prepare for the next year. Remember, something that I always tell in my videos is that if you have passion for MBA, if you want to become a manager, if you can give the hard work that is required to become a successful MBA, college will not matter. Sure, brands like IIM, MDI, FMS do matter. They surely boost your career and give you opportunities like no other college. But if you have it in you, if you have that passion and that zeal, you can network your way up the corporate ladder. You can have the career that you want. In a company, not all the successful employees are from IIM. Some of them are from non-IIM and they are doing wonders. So remember this, whatever college you get, it totally depends on how you progress in life. If you get a call from a not so popular college, a not so good college, then what you can do is you can check their courses, their faculty, their placement packages, connect with their alumni on LinkedIn, connect with their alumni on any social media platform, try to understand how the career progression is after getting an MBA from that particular college. Try to understand how you will be faring. Try to understand the placement package versus the fees, the amount of education loan you will have to take. If you get a call from a not so popular college, a not so good college, then what you can do is you can check their courses, their faculty, their placement packages, connect with their alumni on LinkedIn, connect with their alumni on any social media platform. Try to understand how the career progression is after getting an MBA from that particular college. Try to understand how you will be faring. Try to understand the placement package versus the fees, the amount of education loan you will have to take, right? Whether the package can justify the education loan or not. Be decisive in choosing the college. Do not just reject the college because they are not what you wanted, because there are chances that what you get may be better than what you wanted. And I'm not being philosophical, I'm just being practical with you here. In case you do not get any call from any baby IIMs or any other tier 2, tier 3 colleges, and in that scenario, there is nothing to worry, because many of the students who got into IIMs, into good IIMs this year may not have been their first attempt. They might have got into an IIM this year in their third, second, fourth attempt. You never know. Getting a dismal result this year should not disappoint you, rather should charge you up, because the future will turn up better for you. You have the experience of knowing how much preparation leads to how much percentile, how the competition is, how the exam ambience is going to be. Use that experience to your advantage. Prepare well, prepare better this year. You have a lot of time. You have 10, 11 months before CAT 2022, and you have a lot of time to prepare your weaknesses, a lot of time to brush up your strengths, a lot of time to improve your speaking and writing skills. So start preparing, buckle up and start preparing now, because I believe 2022 is going to be your year. If you want to get into a B school and MBA is your passion, you will get into a B school. Only thing you need is to prepare strategically. There are steps and ways to get into an IIM, and if you follow those steps, there is no one stopping you from getting into what you want. Getting into an IIM requires skills that is not something that you cannot develop. कोई भी ऐसा skills IIM के लिए नहीं चाहिए जो आप develop नहीं कर सकते हो. If your maths is weak, practice. If your English is weak, speak, write, read. Improve your English. If your LRDI is weak, give time for it. Give it time, give it your hard work, give your weakness your hard work. You will see that over the course of this year, you have improved by a lot. Passion and hard work will result in success. Because I believe so, because I've seen people who faced failures a lot in their lives, and with their resilience and agility, they were able to succeed their way up the ladder, and now they're enjoying a great corporate career. In case you are preparing for 2022's CAT, you need to stick to the job that you have, or you may need to join the job that you got from your college placements. While you are at your existing job or at the job that you have got, I would request you to give your dedication, give your best in the job as well, because the better your career grows, the better projects that you get, the better reference that you get, the better it will be for your profile while you get into an MBA college. Also, working in a particular company, try to know how the company works, the business model, who are the competitors. Try to know about the business and the industry in general. That will help you in your interview, that will help you in your general knowledge, and many other things. So give your dedication in the job, and give your dedication in your preparation for CAT 2022. If you are wanting to get into an MBA to fast track your career, if you are wanting to get into an MBA to grow your career, don't think that your progression is halted. Watch my video on how to ace interviews. Go ahead and start accelerating your career.